What's up, YouTube? We about to make fried chicken and waffles. Stay tuned, Cooking with Red. Okay, first things first, you have to wash your chicken. Please wash your chicken. Alright, so after the bird bath, dry your chicken and begin to season. Okay, y'all, I do not measure at all. I season by sight. If you're looking for the measurements, don't look here. All right, so my 10-year-old, he's getting everything prepped to make the waffles. Please comment below and let us know what type of videos you would like to see. Pranks, mukbangs, or more cooking. Thank you. Hey, you guys, do not freak out. I wash my hands thoroughly. All right, here it is. The secret ingredient, cornstarch, makes your chicken extra crispy. Alright, so I'm ready to place the chicken in the skillet. I always let my chicken sit in the flour just a little bit so it can adhere to it and have like more of a thick, crispy crunch. stuff on your hand, dude. You couldn't get that out. You could get that off your hand.
No, not really.
Don't just do it in one spot. You gotta hit it all. Yeah, hit all the spots. Don't burn your hand now. Get the top. Get the top. Alright, that's cool. We gotta get some now. Alright. Now you know how I taught you how to do the batter, right?
Yeah.
Just put a little bit. Don't put a lot.
I still see yellow. It's gonna spread and then it's gonna fall out. Remember all the time?
Oh yeah, that's right. You're smart. You're right. Alright. Yeah, when it turns green, then it's ready. Oh, it ain't ready yet. I guess it is. Good job. It looks perfect.
I need that
Plate right there. Plate right there. Coming off easy. There you go. Good job. Came out perfect. Yeah, don't overflow it because they be like, you were right. Spread out the side. Alright, this is the second batch. Oh, I can't wait till it's done. I'm so hungry. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button.